This video guide describes how to commission Searchline Excel Plus and Edge Detector using Honeywell Fixed Platform App. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Open Fixed Platform App. Input user ID or email address and password. Tap Login. Select access rights to the device location. Tap Detectors. Tap the detector and pair it with the app. Switch the detector to inhibit mode by tapping the inhibit control slider. Confirm the selection. The LED indicator will switch to yellow color. To set maintenance flag, go to the main menu, tap Set Maintenance Flag, and confirm. The maintenance icon is shown on the overview screen. To check alignment, go to the main menu, tap Maintenance, then tap Check Alignment. Confirm switching into inhibit mode. Confirm precautions. Specify path length in meters. Save the changes. Tap Check Alignment button. After successful alignment, tap Review Detector Settings button. To perform bump test, tap Maintenance, then tap Bump Test. Confirm that windows are clean. If required, switch detector into inhibit mode. Confirm successful zeroing. Slide the low test filter into the cowling and confirm. When low test passed, confirm to continue to high test. When high test passed, confirm to finish the bump test. To perform output test, tap Maintenance, then tap Output Test. Adjust the set force loop value in milliamperes. Tap Apply Force Loop button. Adjust the force timeout period in seconds. Tap Apply Force Timeout button. Force each of the three relays to one of the three states and confirm. Select a LED state to force the visual indicator status. To clear maintenance flag, go to the main menu and tap Clear Maintenance Flag. To switch the detector back to active mode, tap the Inhibit control slider. Confirm the selection. You have now commissioned the detector. For more information, visit automation.honeywell.com.